Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just here to show you this 2022 Ram 1500 that we have here on the lot. Just going to take a quick walk around the truck today just to show you some of the features and options that it has to offer. Starting out with, it is in your Patriot Blue paint finish, accented by your chrome badging across the truck. Now this truck is in your Laramie trim level, which means you get tons of great features equipped on it. So you do have your rear park sense, so you can see your sensors there across the lower half of that back bumper. Your backup camera equipped there. You also do get great 4x4 capabilities, of course, towing, hauling capabilities. Coming around towards the passenger side here, you can also see you do have a set of running boards equipped on the truck. A great accessory, you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Now the truck itself is in your crew cab style, so that means you get plenty of interior space both in terms of your front and back seat. So you can see in the back seat there, plenty of legroom for your passengers to sit quite comfortably. You do have your in-floor Ram bin storage equipped in the truck as well. So you do have a little bit of storage space on either side of that back seat in the floor. In that back seat, you do have your rear USB port hookups. Up front, you do have your 12-inch touchscreen display, so very user-friendly interface, a lot of great features packed in there. So you do, of course, have access to all your audio media controls built in there, your climate controls as well. So you do have heated, ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, of course your navigation, Bluetooth capabilities, access to some of the apps and settings that are included in there. To either side of the screen, again, you have access to just your basic climate control options, audio media controls. Down below, you do have access to toggle your park sense features on and off, trailer brake control, USB ports up there. Lots of storage space in your center console area as well. You do have your push button start, so you do have keyless entry, key fob for the truck right here. You do have remote start included, so again, another great feature, you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Steering wheel mounted control, so you do have access to all your cruise control options, Bluetooth, Uconnect capabilities. In behind the steering wheel, access to your audio media controls. So everything easily accessible right on the steering wheel itself. Allows you to keep your hands safely on the wheel while still staying connected while on the go. But you can see this Ram 1500 Laramie is packed full of great features inside and out. If you have other questions about this truck, please feel free to give the team a call, 780-826-2999.